లేటెస్ట్ న్యూస్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం ఇప్పుడే డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి Mediafx యాప్.
Going back to ortho, when you started as a student to now with AI intervention and robotics coming, how do you see the future?
Yeah, definitely lot of improvement is there, lot of quality, lot of patient outcomes got better thanks to the technology. Now we do a lot of robotic surgeries. Robotic surgeries precision వస్తుంది, పేషెంట్కి పెయిన్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఇంకా ఫ్యూచర్లో ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్, బిగ్ డేటా ఇవన్నీ వచ్చిన తర్వాత అసలు ఇక సర్జన్ బికమ్స్ ఆబ్సొలీట్. యూ జస్ట్ సిట్ దేర్ అండ్ ప్రెస్ ద బటన్, all the robotic will do everything.
So my question is, ippudu AI is becoming a threat for every field.
Yeah.
Do you think it will become a big threat for doctors also? Because
Never. End of the day, whatever is that, end of the day, it's a personal touch and that individual rapport, affection, empathy, artificial intelligence cannot give you.
So what is it, one thing that you would tell students as in your learning curve from doctor starting days of your career?
Put your heart into the science rather than the brain. Yeah, a lot of youngsters have got a lot of brain, but they don't have the heart. Heart undali. Heart untane you are, first of all, you should be a good person. Then only you can be a good doctor.
Yes.
So that's a fundamental important point.
You're almost like an artist is what I feel,
Yeah,
because you're
yeah.
performing with your hand and
Exactly, absolutely.
yeah.
Your heart should work more than your brain in medical care. Then you will become a great doctor.
Yes.